Good day, this is Professor Will, CBMD PhD. Today's Wednesday, December 9th, 2020. It is 7:58 and 30 seconds p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And today I'm presenting my new computer build, which my mom and Marcel helped pay for as an early Christmas gift. So let's hop to my new build. I'm working with an AMD Ryzen 3rd Gen 3100 3.9 GHz processor. Now as you can see here, I'm working with an Asus motherboard, Prime 450M-A. And as you can see here, I got my G-Skill 2400 DDR4 RAM in the mail. I just installed the dual channel architecture random access memory. There's in the dual channel, as you can see. It looks as though the heatsink and fan comes with prepaste, which I'm going to have to remove. And as you can see, it comes with the screws. So I'm going to have to remove the brackets off the motherboard and screw that right in. This is the AMD fan system. It's upside down. Cool. And as you can see, I applied my thermal paste, just a little smudge in the center there. As you can see, it's even. The processor heatsink and fan is now installed, and as you can see, there's a dedicated plug specifically for the CPU fan. As you can see, I completely dismantled the power supply. I'm going to brush it down and wash it with alcohol. It's quite the job. I already washed the outside of it already, so let's get started. And as you can see, I took apart the entire power supply, brushed it down and washed it with alcohol. Now I'm just going to put it all back together again. Okay, I put everything back together. All the plugs are in position. I'm ready to power her up soon. So let's give her a go. Okay, getting ready to power the computer up for the very first time. And no problem, she powered right up. Fans are spinning. Go to the boot screen here. And we got a power screen. Push F8. And we got a boot menu. Great, wonderful. Well, it looks like everything's up and running smooth so far. I just want to say thanks, Mom and Marcel, and Merry Christmas to everybody out there. Merry Christmas.